Okay children, now open page number 23. I will give you exercise A, B and C in homework. Okay, these exercises you have to do in your copy as well as in your book also. Now I will explain you all the exercises. First is fill-ups. A dash is an effective way to display data in pictorial form. It is chart. Number 2, dash refers to the bars or slices that show the data values. Answer is data series. Next, bar chart display data in the form of long rectangular rods. Now number 4, y-axis is the vertical axis that is used to plot the values. Number 5, legend depicts the color, pattern or symbol assigned to the data series. These 5 questions from the book, and 6 to 10 I will give you some extra fill-ups. Number 6, chart area include all the area and object in the chart. Number 7, plot area is a window within the chart area. Number 8, x-axis of the chart is called category axis. Number 9 is sorting means arranging data either is an ascending or descending order in a worksheet. Number 10 is the filter feature allow you to see only those records that you want to display, while it hides the rest of the data temporarily from the view. Okay, now we have done 1 to 10 fill-ups. Now move on to exercise number B. State true or false. You can sort the data only in one field. No, it is false. Number 2, a pie chart shows only one data series always. It is true. You cannot modify the chart by changing its color or patterns. It is false. X-axis is the horizontal axis. It is true. Chart area contains the actual chart itself and include data series, category and value axis as well. It is false. Now move on to next exercise C, multiple choice questions. Name the bar or slices that represent the data values on the chart. Answer is data series. Which chart type display data in the form of a circle? It is pie chart. Which function key is used to insert a chart in a worksheet? It is F11. Now number 4, name the window within the chart area that contains the actual chart itself. It is plot area. Which feature allows us to arrange the given data according to a particular field either is an ascending and descending order? It is sorting. Okay student, now we have done exercise ABC. Do it in your copy and regularly complete your work and send it to me for checking. Now that's all for today's class. Question answer we will do in our next class. Okay, till then, goodbye.